If you want to play beautiful chords, you can do it with these 3 steps. First, know your scales, play chord scales, and get creative. Okay, so step 1, really make sure you take the time to get that foundation of knowing all of your scales. It's really easy to just sit down and play and forget that this scale has a sharp, or if this scale has a flat. So take that time to build that foundation. It's going to set you up for success in the long run. And that brings you to step 2, play chord scales. What do I mean by that? Well, you're going to play your diatonic chords. That means that you're playing all the chords within the scale. So here's your 1 chord in root position. Now you can just move and keep that same shape. Move up 1 to your 2 chord, to your 3 chord, to your 4 chord, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. Now you can play the inversion of that, the first inversion. So if you now play an F sharp here, you have F sharp A D, here's your 1 chord. Move the same distance up, so move up to the next key within the scale. And that will be your 2 chord, your 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. Last, you're going to play a second inversion. So A, D, F sharp, here's your 1 chord. Again, move up to the next point in the scale, wherever you are. This is your 2 chord, your 3 chord, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. Okay, that brings us to step 3. Get creative. Don't just play them in these block positions. Move the notes around within those patterns. See what patterns you can come up with. Okay, so for example, here we'll do a first inversion one where I will play a descending triplet pattern like this. Here we go. Or we could do a second inversion pattern that's in the style of Bach that uses a passing tone to get us between our notes of our chords. Okay, this last step I think is the most important to mastering beautiful playing chords. If you can get creative and make it your own, that's going to be the best way and the fastest way for you to master your playing. I hope this video helps. Happy practicing.